5calls app. So here it is, contact your Congress. So this is a viral app these days due to all the political situation. So this is a super easy app to reach out to your Congress representatives, learn what's happening in Congress today, and get automatically connected with your House, Senate, and local reps. Spend 5 minutes, make 5 calls. So this app provides phone numbers and scripts, so calling is quick and easy. So you can easily call to your representative. Background on why each issue is important, so you can judge how important. Uses your location to find your local representative, so your calls have more impact. Keep track of who you've called about each issue, so you can make your way down the list. So it's kind of like if you want to reach out to your representatives, this is one of the best apps. Super easy, but you just here you see all the issues. You can select here, you can see the issue, whether you agree or not with it or not. Here is some description. Then you just set your location, and after you set your location, you will see the contact information of your local representative in Congress, in Senate, and then you can just call senators, for example, and talk about it. So yeah, more than 2 million calls were about made in this app. And then here's, you have your representatives. I mean, if you're in US and you set your location, and then yeah, you have reminders, you can see your stats. And yeah, so that's the idea basically.